guys, here I just bought a new item on the New Star shopping mall. This item is a fan, a ceiling fan, yes. It has 5 blades, color pink blades. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the price is 170 pesos if my camera will cooperate, I guess. But the price tag says it was 170 or 187 on its original price. I guess it's on sale. So let's assemble the fan. Assembly time now, guys. So let's do this. So let's put the blades. So this is very simple and easy to do. Just insert this blades and wait for the click. That's it. It's okay. Snap in its place. So guys, our 5-blade fan, and I'm ready to install. So by the way guys, this fan is only plain and simple. It has only 2 modes, 0 and 1, or on and off, or long, not short. 0 and 1, on off. That's it guys. Turn it off and turn it on. Simple and easy. Surprise guys! Now we're ready for the installation. We'll just hang this hook right here, and here it is guys. Okay, and don't forget to consider the length of the cord, the plug. This is the only cons of this fan. The cord only has almost, I think it's 1 meter in length. So you just need to be 1 meter away from the outlet so that you can still plug it, or you can use extensions. Depends on your discard. That's it guys. So here it is guys. We will now plug on the socket, and as you can see, that's already turned on. Okay, here is the switch. Okay, let's turn it off and let's turn it on. Okay. Okay, that's it guys. It's working perfectly. Thank you for watching. See you in my next videos. Bye bye. So we will have a wind test. So let's try. Let's see how powerful the wind of the ceiling fan is. As you can see, the plastics move by the gas of the wind produced by the fan. It's quite strong in spite of the height from the ceiling.
So that's it guys for the review of this ceiling fan. So buyboytv approves, and I highly recommend this cheap fan if you are looking for a budget friendly fan. So thank you for watching.